Imagine standing in your lab surrounded by research papers and endless rows of data, feeling like there must be a smarter way to decode the complexities of biochemistry. Now, picture having artificial intelligence right by your side, turning raw data into clear insights, accelerating your discoveries, and enhancing every step of your scientific journey. Welcome to AI for Biochemists, where we merge the power of AI with your groundbreaking research, giving you the edge to work smarter and faster. This course is not some far-off dream, but a practical reality designed to help you integrate AI into everyday lab work. Whether you're just beginning or looking to level up your skills, you'll find in-depth video courses tailored specifically for biochemists. These lessons go beyond theory and give you hands-on tutorials that walk you through real-life examples, from solving intricate problems with predictive modeling to optimizing data visualization techniques. Every session is structured to build on your existing knowledge, ensuring that you not only understand the concepts, but apply them efficiently in your projects. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities that stand out in today's evolving landscape. By mastering essential AI tools crafted for biochemistry, ranging from data analysis to molecular simulations, you become indispensable in an industry that thrives on innovation. Ready to transform your approach to research? Discover the complete range of AI for biochemist training courses available exclusively on CompleteAItraining.com.